Hi everybody, this is Frank Contesky here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2021 Sailfish 272 center console. As you can see, new for this year, Sailfish did put in a dive door fish door. Full hull coloring on this boat with matching underside of the T-top, hardtop. As we make our way around to the transom, you'll see a couple changes here. Sailfish added a cool little cooler spot there for when you're in the water. You can grab drinks or sandwiches real quick. Twin Yamaha 200s on the back there. You can get this boat with 150s. I'll give Pete a second to climb up there. Sailfish, widely known for their telescoping ski tow bar. If you're fishing, you can get it down, out of the way, make it easy, clear transom. A lot of changes in here, mainly being transom seat with a starboard side jump seat. Easy to get out, nice big armatures there to support the seats. Live well. Here's that dive door we were talking about earlier. Opens inward. Nice clean design here on the back of the leaning post. Static hinges so nothing closes on your hands. Nice tackle storage down here. Moving forward, new upholstery color for Sailfish. It's a gray and a brown. Right here we have a Garmin display. You can get a second screen over here. Power steering, trim tabs, nice little glove box, and also fully enclosed glass up here. As we make our way on the port side, I'll let Pete give a little shot into the head. Really deep head, easy access in and out. You have your table for the bow, your ladder for the dive door, and you have access to your batteries. As we make our way up, again, another couple changes here. I didn't put these down for a reason. So here we have the ability to fold this up and get easy access to the windlass. Also, Sailfish added in movable backrests on each side. Really nice feature. That way you can either be forward facing or kind of facing each other. Right here, you do have a little cooler access. And then there's more storage in the floor. Sailfish moved the fish boxes a little forward on this side, giving you the ability to use that seat and still open the fish box. And then they also moved the rod storage up a little further. So again, a lot of changes on this boat. You got to come by and see it. It's in Brick, New Jersey at MarineMax. My name's Frank Contesky. Thank you for your time.